This third lecture video is going to go through the full problem-solving method. In our class, the reason we are going into great detail with the problem-solving method is because we need to develop skills in taking data, analyzing the problem, and finding the solution. This method will be used in all problems moving forward in this class. The problem-solving method has 9 steps. The first step is read the problem carefully. You will want to read the problem at least twice. The first time through, read it without stopping. The second time through, think. What is the problem asking and what are we given? The second step is make a sketch. Make sure you include all numbers and units that are known in your sketch. This is one of the most important steps because this will help you focus on what you are still trying to find, and it is also meant to help you visualize the problem. Step 3 is write all the given information, including units. I would recommend writing everything in an organized fashion because this will help you figure out and focus on what you are trying to solve for later on. You need to make sure you have all of the essential information written down. Step 4 is write the unknown quantity asked for in the problem. A lot of times I get the question, what am I trying to find? Writing down the unknown quantity will help you focus on what you are trying to find so you can later figure out what equation you need to use to find it. Step 5 is write the basic formula. The basic formula is the one that is given to you in the textbook. If you write down everything you have and what you are trying to find, it should be fairly easy to find the correct basic formula. Step 6 is find a working equation. Most of the time, you will have to rearrange your basic formula to solve for a different variable. The working equation is basically just your basic equation rearranged. Step 7 is substitute the data into the working equation. When you do your substitution, make sure you include the correct units. This will definitely help when you are trying to figure out what units your answer should have later on. Step 8 is work out the solution. This is where you type everything into your calculator and come up with an answer. Make sure your answer has the correct significant digits and that your units are consistent. Last, step 7 is check your answer. It is always a good idea to ask yourself, does my answer seem logical? Do I have the correct units? And does the quantity make sense? For example, if you are calculating the distance a snail moves in 1 hour and you end up with 300 kilometers, something is clearly wrong. Unless the snail has a jetpack, it probably is not going to move about 200 miles in 1 hour. In the next lecture video, we will go through an example showing the full problem-solving method.